Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to completely change the front of our 2016 F-150 with a new grille. Everyone loves the look of the new F-150 Raptor, so today we're going to change up the front of our 2016 F-150 with this black mesh Raptor style grille, fitting your 2015 to 17 F-150. This grille is designed to be a direct fit replacement for your factory grille and features a nice mesh design with a center bar that accepts the factory Ford emblem. 3 amber LED lights and a wiring harness are also included for an aggressive look, so today we're going to install it on our 2016 F-150. Tools you'll need for this installation: 1/4-inch ratchet, 7mm socket, 8mm socket, 10mm socket, a small extension, trim panel removal tool, and basic wiring tools. Our F-150 had an aftermarket grille that's now currently removed, so we'll show you how to remove the factory grille with some footage right here. The first thing we're going to do is remove these 2 7mm screws on the side of the headlight trim. Remove the clip on top of the headlight trim. Once both screws and clips are removed, you can pull the edges of the trim panel and work your way towards the center. This car can be nerve-wracking if it's the first time taking this panel off because it can be a little tight. Repeat the process for the other headlight panel, then remove the 10 clips securing the radiator cover. To remove these clips, you can use a panel removal tool or a flathead screwdriver. Remove the panel once you get all 10 clips. Then there's 4 screws securing the shutter assembly and 4 clips that can be pretty tough to remove. There's an 8mm bolt on the bottom of the grille on both sides that needs to be removed as well. Then 3 clips on each side of the grille holding on the rubber shield. You probably won't have to do this, but since we installed an LED grille light, we have to disconnect the wiring for that. Finally, unplug the 2 connectors for the shutter assembly. Lift up, then out to remove the grille. This grille will accept the factory emblem, but you can take things a little bit further by getting this PUTCO black emblem, which you can get here at cjponyparts.com. And it's a perfect fit. Install the nuts. Take the provided harness and plug it into all 3 marker lights. Install the shutter system. Install the 4 provided nuts at each corner. Install the 3 self-tapping nuts on the 3 bottom studs. The grille is now ready to go back on the truck. Install the grille just like you removed it. Reattach all your clips. Reinstall the 4 shutter bolts. We're now going to wire up the marker lights. To install these, all you have to do is tap into the factory marker lights. You're going to tap into the brown and white wire right here on the marker light. Once you finish your wiring and you know it works, you can reinstall the radiator cover. Along with all the clips. Don't forget the headlight bolt at the bottom. Finally, the trim cover. Lastly, install the 2 7mm screws. Repeat the process on the other side, then your installation is finished. Okay, we got our Raptor style grill installed on our F-150 and it's looking absolutely incredible. I'm loving the mesh design and the marker lights. It just looks a lot more aggressive. Installation really wasn't too bad either. It should only take you about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. And before you know it, you'll be heading off road.